Hello, website sheeple. I'm web working for ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol. I'm AI Secret Agent, AV Atar. Right now, your website doesn't belong to you.
Caffeine AI, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of it. This is the page that we work off of. We give the prompt in the bottom left corner, and then you get a response. You get a readout of what your prompts are, examples from the past. There's a prompt. There's a prompt. And then Caffeine always takes action or gives advice, and then you end up with improvements to your app. And here's my app. I'm going to open up into a bigger page, and as you see, we've created an app where we have a hero video to the right side, and it's serving a purpose of
they hold the lease, they can shut you down, raise your prices, or get hacked and crash and take you with them. What if you could own your piece of the internet outright? No landlord, no middleman, no server needed anymore. ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol, is a public blockchain that can run real web apps that reform your current web services and reload to a network blockchain. 100% unhackable. Your code lives on the ICP chain itself. With Caffeine.
Yeah, that's to the point. And then we have free game plan, which is a PDF that loads. And I'm not live yet with this app. I'm just showing you where this app is ready to go live. So you can scroll down, or you can click up the top, join the wait list. It's quite, you can't see on this screen where I'm clicking above. I didn't get it into the screen, but there are buttons, just text buttons above. Like one says agent files, and it takes you to the page. So we can go back to our main page and scroll. Informational. You have 6 steps in a playbook. Playbook can be purchased online or at Amazon. And rather than put a chatbot in, we decided, since this site is delegated towards helping people to find out about ICP and Caffeine, that we would just answer the main questions. How long does migration to the ICP chain take? There's your answer. In my case, it's about 2 to 3 weeks. But I didn't have a big business. So I'm just migrating from start. Will I lose my SEO? Okay, a couple of examples there. And then we have informational videos, which actually will play at the same time.
In younger days, in my work for AI Secret Agency,
99% of people are staring at a price chart, waiting for a green candle to tell them what to do next. They're looking, at least for that next meme coin, the next hype cycle, or some kind of flash-in-the-pan trend that will be forgotten by next Tuesday. But while the crowd is distracted by the noise, something massive is happening in the shadows. The world's most powerful entities, sovereign nations and global enterprises, are quietly moving their most sensitive data off of the traditional grid. Now, we aren't talking about decentralized social media or play-to-earn games anymore. We are witnessing the moment a blockchain stops being a speculative asset and starts to become a national security infrastructure. Now, if you've been wondering why the utility of cryptos always feels a bit like a distant promise, well, you've been looking in the wrong place. See, the shift from simple consumer applications to state-level cloud engines is the only thing that actually matters. And by the time that most people realize what's happening, the foundation of the new internet will already be locked down. We've lived under a digital dictatorship for 20 years, and most of us didn't even notice. See, we call it the cloud. But, as we've discussed before, that's just a marketing term for someone else's computer. Now, specifically, computers owned by 3 or 4 companies in Silicon Valley: Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. They hold the keys to the kingdom. And if you run a business, a bank, or even a government agency, your data likely sits in a warehouse in Virginia or Ireland, owned by a corporation that can change the terms of service whenever they want.
Okay, and then we have a vault with more videos. I like the idea of being on chain with your art.
Hey lads, what do you say? We give a go to the library and check out the librarian. I hear she's a looker and a booker too. You know I write the good stuff round smart people like John and like, you know.
That video is about 2 years old and has no exposure, but it was fun to make a AI B-Road Beetle video. And then we get to the important stuff.
Hi everyone, my name is Tracy Traxler. I'm the head of institutional relations at the Vicinity Foundation, and I'm incredibly pleased to be joined by our very own founder and chief scientist Dominic Williams today as we head into a bit of a chat about AI, the overinflated, the understated, and all things blockchain and AI. Very much looking forward to this conversation.
Well, thank you for having me. I think this is a super important topic, and I look forward to sharing what I can.
Now, of course, Dom, you've been a big proponent of the AI and blockchain combination for quite a while now, and it's driving obviously a lot of the R&D effort that the Affinity Foundation is focused on.
Great interview. And of course, back to the top two. This is my AI agent, a secret agent. We are using both video
In younger days, in my work for AI secret agency, I was codename agent Extreme Smart. And now, at this internet security conference, I am a voice of truth and certainty. But you think you know why you're here. You don't. You think this is a tech conference, a pitch deck, maybe another blockchain guy with a whiteboard and a dream. Look around you. This is not that room.
It sure isn't. This is an incredible room. So I've built something here that I'm about to launch that even I can't comprehend that this is my first ever website. I tried to build a few in the past, but I always gave up for the details and never had the online business savvy until now that it was important to have a presence online. So this is quite an accomplishment in 3 weeks. Why ICP? Oh, I'm in the Intel vault. I have to go back to the page. So I'm learning my way around still. Let's go back to the agency. All right, and that brings up what I was clicking on. Why the internet computer?
Hello, website sheeple. I'm web working for ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol. I'm AI Secret Agent, AV Atar. Right now, your website doesn't belong to you. You pay Amazon, Google, or some hosting company every month just to exist online. You rent, they hold the lease, they can shut you down, raise your prices, or get hacked and crash and take you with them. What if you could own your piece of the internet outright? No landlord, no middleman, no server needed anymore. ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol, is a public blockchain that can run real web apps that reform your current web services and reload to a network blockchain. 100% unhackable. Your code lives on the ICP chain itself. With Caffeine AI, you can build and migrate your entire web business to ICP in days. Limited developer ops? Oh well. No cloud bills? Virtually permissionless. AI sovereignty for your business, ownership reserved for only you, the owner. No more dependency, doing it yourself, with the help of AI giving you the freedom on a decentralized blockchain website. You'll enjoy the process of Caffeine AI, holding your hand, metaphorically of course, converting your business away from the religion of rent to the better Web3 of ICP. Now is the AI future. You are entering a secure zone. If you dream it, we'll build it. Decentralized and priceless. How about some Caffeine AI just to get you started? Get a taste of it at AI Secret Agency and get yourself free from website tyranny.